Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Fit EX. The vehicle does come equipped with an Econ mode for fuel efficient driving. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls. This vehicle is also equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite for adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. You will have the paddle shifters. The vehicle is also equipped with a camera whenever you put the right turn signal on to look down the right side of the vehicle. Comes equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music in from your phone. You'll have your USB and power ports. More USB and power port inside of the center console. You'll have the all-weather floor mats in the front as well as in the back. The vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera, all-weather cargo tray in the trunk, your toolkit, and a spare tire. This is the 2019 Honda Fit EX.